You checked your videos yesterday, you realized you had 2,100 views. This morning when you check, it's 1,700 views. So what happened? Did YouTube delete some of my videos, or did I delete my own videos by mistake? Is something broken? No. I'll tell you exactly what happens. Imagine you own a stall in a supermarket. Yesterday you sold 100 oranges. When you get home, your mom tells you, let's do a quick reconciliation to check. So after having checked, she comes back to you with a correct and proper number of customers that came to you. She says to you, 5 of those customers, it's just one person who kept coming back. 3 of them walked in and they didn't buy anything. So in actual fact, you only have 92 customers. That's what YouTube does with views. When someone watches a video, YouTube goes back to check if these were real people, or are some of them bots, or is some strange traffic coming from somewhere strange. If they weren't real views, YouTube removes them. That makes your views go down. Here's another thing that people don't realize. YouTube gives you 2 numbers, the first number and the check number. The first number is just a rough estimate of who YouTube thinks has watched your videos. And the second number is the check number. The check number is when YouTube goes in and checks properly and gives you the real count. The first number usually grows faster. So when YouTube switches back to the check number, it looks like your views have disappeared. No, your views have not disappeared. YouTube is actually going back and giving you the correct count. Here's another thing. When you post your video to a WhatsApp group, a lot of people view it at the same time. YouTube takes a closer look. If something is off, YouTube will reduce those number of views. If it's real views, the views will stay. One more thing. You post your video to a WhatsApp group and everybody in that group clicks on it at the same time. YouTube notices a rise in views. When something is off, YouTube will delete those views. If those views are normal, the views will stay. So your views just didn't disappear. YouTube has just gone back to clean up the numbers. This is common with many channels, and it usually happens when the views come in very fast. If this has happened to you, please drop a comment and let me know. See you on the next video, and thanks for watching.